Oh my god. He did it.
You're so stupid.
He did.
Yeah, he only kicked you in the butt in the
No.
butt.
No, he didn't. He did. Oh. Did you hear that she had like the worst haircut? Did you see her boobs? They're just like totally fake. I know. I just stuck a tomato in those. Her head is huge. Gotta call you. Bye. What the hell?
I heard a foot. Oh my god.